Hey there guys, thanks for tuning back into the channel. Today I wanted to cover a little bit of tips and tricks on the Landstar load board and setting your web alerts and refreshing the search tab the correct way. So we have Landstar Online pulled up here, and right now we're gonna hit the search tab. We're up here in Yakima, Washington. I got it set for Seattle, right down here, Seattle, Washington, which is not too far, but I'm trying to look for loads basically out of Seattle or Portland, Oregon right now. So I have my radius set for 500. Usually don't have it set that high because that's a pretty big deadhead. I got my pickup date set for the 31st, which is today, Wednesday. And I got my number of days set for 2. So hit save on that. So the reason I have it set for 2 is because say I had a load going down from Seattle to Los Angeles, California. I could save this and already be searching for loads while I'm on the way down there. So what you want to do is scroll all the way down here to the bottom where it says load alerts and email contact. You want to enable both of those and hit save. So while I'm on the way down to Los Angeles, I can already be searching for loads. Now, if we go over here to my email, this is kind of what it looks like. So you'll have all the loads that are posted, and as they post, they'll come to your email. Now, it's a little bit different searching the load board and having web alerts. Sometimes there's loads that are posted to the load board that doesn't get a web alert to the email, and vice versa. So this is kind of what they look like. See, you can hit the tab on that, and it's just nothing but web alerts coming across. Like I said, Washington's kind of a tricky area to get out of. So let's go back to the Landstar search page and let's put in Seattle, Washington. Done. Let's hit save on that, and let's hit search. So as you can see, it's kind of slim pickings up here, but sorry guys, got cut off there. So I wanted to show you the correct way to refresh this load board when you're in an area that's hard to get in and out of. So if you go to the top up here and you just keep hitting that refresh button like that, that doesn't do anything at all, because you'll still see all the old loads that were there before, if that makes sense. So the correct way to refresh the load board, because new loads are posting all the time and you want to be the first to call about the load. So the correct way to refresh the load search is to hit the back button and go back to the actual search page at Landstar, you know, right here where it says Seattle. So you come back to this page, make sure it's saved, and research it again from here. Hope this makes sense to you guys, because hitting the refresh button at the top like this will not work. You actually have to go back right here to the actual Landstar Online search page and then research it from here. Like I said, if you keep refreshing it from this page right here, doing this, it will not show the new loads, and the old loads that were posted will still show up. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. You want to back out, research it from the actual Landstar Online page so you can actually see the new loads coming coming in. So hope that makes sense to you guys. I hope that helps you guys. That's the correct way to search the Landstar Online. And yeah, so I hope that helped you guys. I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, leave your comments if you have any questions. If any of you guys need any help, let me know. My email is brochilltrucking@gmail.com. We also have a Facebook group, Trucking Tips and Tricks, or it's Trucking Tips and Tricks OTR. Trucking, something like that. Trucking Tips and Tricks OTR. Wait, is that it? Let me see. Here, I'll pull up the Facebook. Let me make sure this is good for you guys. Hold on. Alright. Trucking Tips and Health OTR. So this is what it looks like. That's the Facebook group if you guys want to join. It is kind of a smaller niche group, but it's there if you guys, are into health, trucking tips, that type of stuff. So see you guys